Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and if you're not new here, welcome back. So today is an exciting day. I am going to the Apple store to get my first MacBook. I'm so proud of myself. I've been wanting a new computer for the longest time. I've had a Windows computer, a Dell computer, since 2009. It is completely done, so I need a new computer. So I'm heading to the Mac store to get my computer, and I'm so excited. Like, this is what my my Dell looks like. It's so done. So I definitely needed to upgrade my computer. Like, look at it. What is that? Like, it is so done. Like, oh my God. I have, like, it is so done. Like, so done. It is so gone and it's so done. It's a shame, but it still works, and it's been working all these years with some hiccups, but it still works. It still turns on. So anyways, today I'm just so excited to get rid of it and just like move on to the next phase of my life. So okay, so I've set up my laptop. I'm gonna be taking some time to learn all there is to learn about it. I'm so excited that I actually finally got a laptop. I know my unboxing may not be perfect, but I hope you guys enjoy it. I got the basic model for the MacBook Pro 14. All the specs will be in the description. So that's it for my unboxing. I hope that you guys do enjoy this video, and if you have any questions, don't forget to leave them in the comments section. I will be sure to answer those questions for you. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, like and share this video. It's always appreciated. And thank you guys again for tuning into my channel, and I'll see you guys soon.